good drink. It's cucumber limeade.
Blender, I peeled and cut 3 cucumbers, and Naomi's going to add about 3/4 of a cup sugar. And then we have 2 lemons and 2 limes that we are going to cut and squeeze into it.
And what are these?
Cucumbers.
Cucumbers. These are cucumbers in it too.
Whoop.
Yeah, and we're gonna put water in it. This is what we make.
Yeah, it's lime.
It's the only part that we make. Try it.
Is it yummy?
It tastes like the cucumber.
It tastes like cucumbers?
Is it good? My lip was on the ice.
Is it good?
My lip was on the ice.
Can I taste it? Ooh. That's tasty. That's very good.
Let me have it.
It tastes like a cucumber, like ice water or something.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
The mama.